Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet with some color. Black color, brown color, green color, violet color, red color, light green color, yellow color, orange color, pink color, blue color. Blue color. Blue color. A for ant. B for bat. C for cake. D for dolphin. Purple color. E for elephant. F for fish. Z for grapes. H for horse. Orange color. I for igloo. Z for jog. K for kite. L for light. Green color. M for mango. N for necklace. O for octopus. P for parrot. Violet color. Q for queen. R for rain. S for strawberry. T for tiger. Blue color. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for window. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zero. Blue color. A B C D. Pink color. E F Z H. Orange color. I J K L. Green color. M N O P. Pink color. Q R S T. Blue color. U V W X Y Z. Thank you.